So, my friend gave me this today in school, and I'm not quite sure what it is. He told me it's a play button, but I don't know what it looks like, or what it is, or what it's for. Well, I know what it is. It's a damn play button. But yeah, this is exciting. Um, my name's Jack, and let's go into this. Ooh, ooh. Okay. I'm scared to look. I'm scared. Oh my god. Does it say anything here? Oh, it does. Present that the Jack smells of peas for surpassing 6 subs. Luke, this is great. You legend. You legend, Luke. You absolute legend. This is great. Yeah, this is mad. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. Well, now I have a piece of your kitchen roll as well. Oh, this is bad. Oh yeah. Look at that. The blue play button with coral and blue and coral and purple coloring. This looks so cool. You do a YouTube logo as well. That looks a lot like the one I did. You do it in handwriting too. I like. It's cool. Lukestinksofpears. You are so cool. No, this is mad. Another little close up on the name, the little signature YouTube logo. Oh yeah, this is class. Oh man, this is cool. Ugh. That's it. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Lukestinksofpears, if you're watching this. And do extended thumb, and then do compressed little creepy thumb. The little pear juice on my thumb. Yeah, this is great. Well, bye. I don't know what the camera looks like because I can't see it.